everybody, welcome back to the channel. You probably just saw my part 3 of my professional color analysis video. If you did not, make sure you go back and check out that video. It is all the inspiration for my 2021 spring summer mood board, that some looks that I'll be recreating. And so yes, make sure you go check that video out. And at the time I'm recording this video, if you have not already, make sure you go over to my website, so NaturalDane.com. I do still have the, at least at the time that this is being recorded, if it's sold out, sorry, but there is the handbag that I made for charity, for a cause. And so please consider going out there, purchasing it for yourself or a gift for someone else, and 100% of those proceeds will be going to Black Minds Matter UK. If you missed why I did that and all of that for that particular handbag, make sure you go back and check out the video so you can hear all about it and about that handbag. So today is all about the Love Notions Metra blazer. You all know, if you've seen any of my hauls, I purchased this pattern back in February 2021. That's when it dropped, just a few months ago. And it is, and make sure I'm over here, it is a really nice blazer. It is it's a ladies blazer, and it starts from a extra small to a 5X. It does have full bust option as well. It has 2 color options, the shawl and the white lapel. I did the shawl collar. It does have welt inseam pockets and is meant for stable knits. And then it also talks about if you print off your pattern at home. I always send mine to the copy shop. You guys already know that. Let me give you the pattern sizes. So for her standard full bust, now this is a full bust measurement, it starts at 38 inches and goes up to 62 inches, which is a 5X. So a very, very nice size range. And then the size inclusive pattern, and the waist goes from 34 to 58.5 inches. Very, very nice. And the hip from a 38 up to a 62. So for me, I cut out a size because I am sitting at a what am I sitting at? I am sitting at, it looks like I cut out a 2X. Yes, because the 2X for body measurement is 45 and I am 46. I'm 46 full bust, and so that's the size that I cut, and it has the room. And so it has, for the 2X for full bust, for finished garment measurements 50. So there was some ease, so I was comfortable with that sizing. Excuse me, should have had some water. So here's why I had to make this. And I had to make it quick. This was 3 weeks ago now. I made this and everything, but for the company that I work for, we actually they reached out to me and needed me to have some headshots done, to have my picture and stuff added on the website. And the headshots photography came with having my makeup done and all that stuff. So I was like, okay, cool. And you know, but because of headshots for a company page, I had to have on a blazer. And I'm thinking, ooh, I don't wear the, you know, blazer where, you know, I'm all buttoned up like that. No, we're gonna have to think of a different look and vibe for this blazer look, because I have a couple blazer patterns, and I'm thinking my plan already shifted on how I plan to style and wear these blazers. So this was no exception. And I wasn't, initially I was thinking, oh, I'll just run to Goodwill and see if I can find something real quick, but I did not want that look, and I knew I would donate it right away. I knew I wouldn't keep it. This, at least I know I will keep, because 1, it's in my colors, and 2, it's just a nice casual look that I can still wear. Say if I have on a sundress or something like that, I can still wear it. Now the fabric that I chose, it is a more of a stable knit. It's not terribly heavy. Again, I'm in Texas. It's not terribly heavy. This is the knit. This is from Joanne Fabrics, and it's almost, I feel like I want to, it's a stable knit, but it's not so it's not as thick as, say, Ponte or something like that. And what I am wearing, I always forget, I'm wearing Style So Me, the Daphne top, which is extended into a dress. I've already done a full review of that. I'll leave a link up to that video up above. But it is a nice stable knit. It definitely worked. And you know, they gave all these kind of this they gave us these parameters kind of what colors and what not to wear. And so based on the different selections they gave us, I knew what I was going to wear. I wore the classic dress, the Rebecca Page classic dress, because yes, it's in my colors. I just made it not that long ago, and because it has blue in it, I just knew, I was like, okay, I'm going for a navy blue or a shade of navy blue, and to wear over my Rebecca Page dress. Why not? That absolutely goes perfect together. And so that is exactly what I did, and I will be popping up pictures here to share with you how the pictures turned out. But I will say, so far as the pattern, I think the instructions are absolutely great. The welt pockets, don't be afraid, because she has a link in the pattern that if you get stuck on it, and definitely go do that, because guess who had a lot of unpicking to do, because I'm thinking, oh, I think I got it, but then the pieces weren't going together right, because the pockets are right here. I have a little straggly thread, but here it is right here, the pocket. And what did I do? I think I put the pocket on backwards or something. I did. So I had to unpick this, and you don't want to be unpicking neck. But what I did was went ahead and watched the video. I'm thinking, yeah, I did something wrong, but let me tell you, the video is just so clear. Just click on the link within the pattern and you will go to her video that shows you how to do the welt pocket. Very, very helpful. I'm not sure how I managed to mess that up the very first time, but that's how it looks. It's really nice. I did serge everything on this inside. Your inside of the shawl piece is a lining piece, so which is nice. So when you know, lay your collar, maybe turn it this way, lay the collar outwards, you know, it's the same fabric or whatever. Or you really could have fun with it, and your lining fabric for this piece on the inside could be a different color knit, and so when you fold it out, it's a totally different color. You can really play with it, but obviously I couldn't do that for my pictures, but I think it is a really easy pattern. I like that it does have the center back seam, which also adds some shaping to the jacket and allows it to drape nicely. I didn't have any issues with the collar. It was, for me, to be honest, it really was the welt pocket where the instructions, I was just like, what? I didn't get it. And so, oh, I did have to unpick the collar. For whatever reason, I don't think I laid my piece in it. This could be, I'm gonna give myself a pass here. This could be because I was in a rush. I think I was told, I think I had 3 or 4 days to get this sewn up. And so I was really rushing, and as soon as I found out, I ordered the pattern for print, because I didn't have it for print, even though I had it. I had ordered it for print with a couple other patterns from PDF Plotting, and I knew I had, like, I was crossing fingers it would land. It would get to my house within 3 to 4 days, and it did. And then I had, by the time I had like 3 days to get this sewn up. And so some of this is probably just me rushing and trying to hurry up and get it done, as opposed to anything else. Yeah, that's essentially it. I really like how it came together, and I definitely want to make another one, because I want to do one in a fun color as well. There's a couple of the blazer patterns, if you've seen my hauls, that I also plan to do, but this is knit. So the other ones I have are all woven, but this is knit, and I want to do another knit like this. This is actually I want to say this is my only knit blazer pattern, and I really like it. And I do want to make another one in some different colors, and again, thinking about playing with like your lining piece. Could be a totally different fabric color, even a print or something if you decide to stick with a solid on the outside, you know, to jazz it up, add a little edginess to it. So yeah, I do plan to do this again, but it won't be until the fall winter. It'll probably go on my fall winter mood board, but yeah, because this rather hot. It's been hot for a while, but again, I had to do this for these pictures. Hopefully I've been popping the pictures up, but that is it. I absolutely love it. I highly recommend the Metra blazer. If you do a search on and if you're on Instagram, you can do a search under Love Notions on their page, and the search for under the Metra Blazer hashtag, and you'll see all different types of versions. But also do a search here on YouTube. You will see all of their ambassadors and different people that have also done the Metra Blazer. Their videos will pop up, and then you can, you know, watch their reviews and everything like that, and their experience with sewing it. But I will say my experience was 2 thumbs up. I'm definitely going to make it again, not until probably way later this year. But yes, I definitely love it. It worked for the purposes I needed for, and it was easy for me to pull together in time to go get these headshots done. So that is that is it, everybody. So again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to thumbs up the video. That helps the algorithm here on YouTube apparently, and so make sure you are doing that. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the headshots, how the pictures turned out. It was this photographer I worked with here. She was awesome. She was fantastic. And so and then the lady who did the makeup, she was awesome as well. So yeah, everybody, that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure again, subscribe, hit the bell on your way out, and stay tuned for Sunday's video, which is part 4 of my professional color analysis, and that is the 7 patterns and 7 looks that I will be recreating. The 7 looks I'll be recreating with the patterns selected, and crossing fingers that the fabric would have arrived, at least most of it, by then, that I can share with you to recreate those looks. So that is it, everybody. Again, 2 thumbs up on the Metra Blazer. Very easy, and it definitely got the job done for me. So all right, everybody, you all have a blessed rest of your week, and we will see you on Sunday. Bye.